Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw Thunder Crash from Fortnite. Now I'm going to be drawing this character in an angle, so let's get started on the left side with the eye. We start from the inside corner, we draw a short angled line going up and out. From the bottom, we go straight across. Now from the top, I'm going to draw the same length line coming down, close off the bottom with a straight line. From the top corner of the eye, we're going to step up towards the top of the head, start with a point. We're going to follow that same angle coming down the front of the head. Coming down to right about there. Now we're going to overlap the strap. From this point, we're going to step out, angle down underneath the eye towards the inside. Now from here, we're going to add a circle. Starting from the end of the line, drawing that circle. Now let's go back to the outside of the strap. I'm going to change the angle. We're going to come down a little bit steeper towards the front. Now I'm going to pull this in behind that circle so the strap gets a little bit narrower as we come in. Now from the bottom corner of the strap, I'm going to step in, just draw a short angled line. Now from here, we're going to curve in and down towards the top of the mouth. In and then down. Now we draw a short angled line coming up and in. Let's add the hinge. We're going to add a circle right at the end of the mouth. And then on the inside, we'll draw a slightly smaller circle. Let's draw the lower jaw. From the top of the mouth, we're going to step down, angle down and out, come straight across. Now we're going to taper this up with a curve coming in behind that hinge. Let's add in the teeth. From the bottom corner, we'll step up, angle up and out. Come up in behind the hinge. From the right side of the hinge, we're going to draw a short line coming across. Now we're going to overlap the strap. Come down, angle up in behind that circle, come across, and then we'll pull that straight up. Now let's go back to the top of the head. From the top of the head, we're going to draw a straight line coming across. Now we're going to overlap that curved horn. Coming down just above the eye, and curve around that line and go out towards the left. We're going to blend this into a curve going in the opposite direction towards the tip of the horn. Now we're going to taper the horn back down, curving in, just following that same curve. And we're going to roll this back in towards the left. Let's connect these 2 points. Take the inside, we're going to round this out and then come up towards the outside. Now we're going to add some of that cracked texture to the base of the horn. Starting from the inside, we're going to go up, draw a V, come across, and then up towards the outside of the horn. Now we're going to step in, go up, and angle back out. Let's add a piece right here. Come down, and across, go up towards the top, and then angle down. Now we're going to take the top of the head, go towards the right side of the horn, and curve down towards the back. Now we're going to overlap another strap coming in towards the circle. Step out, angle down and in towards that circle. Go back to the top, we're going to angle down the back of the strap. Now we're going to taper in behind that circle. Coming down, then in. Now we're just going to draw the outside of this ring. Starting at the bottom. We're just tracing that same circle along the outside. Let's go back to the top of the head and draw in the ear. So in between this point and the horn, curve up and then out. We'll square off the ear. Now we're going to curve this in, down, in behind the horn. We'll continue on the right side. And we're going to change the direction. We're going to curve down and then in. Now at the front of the forehead, there's that twisted horn. So we start at the bottom here, draw a curve coming down and up. We're going to continue those curves all the way up towards the tip of the horn. Just even size, going all the way up. Right about there. Now I'm going to show you how to give it that twisted look. So from this point, I'm going to curve in and then down behind the forehead. And we're going to step up towards this point. We're going to go a little bit smaller as we make our way up towards the tip. Curve down. Now we're going to round it out and pull that down. Like you can see that I'm going a little bit smaller as you come up towards the top. And then from this point, we're just going to pull that in. Now we're going to continue drawing the textured neck. From this point, we're going to come down. From the outside of the strap, we're going to step in and go out. Now we're going to draw a zigzag pattern going across. From the bottom, we'll go up, down. We're going to vary the sizes. Draw a couple small ones. Draw a long one going all the way up to the top. Now we're just going to go across towards the outside. Let's add the second layer. Step in, draw an angled line. The top will step in, go out. Now we draw another set of zigzags going up, across. We're going to go a little bit wider this time, going out. Draw a couple small ones, then out towards the edge. Let's step in again for the third layer. Come down, both sides. Now here we're going to go up, down. We're going to flatten out this one. We're going to go across, add a notch, then go all the way out towards the outside. Let's add one more layer. Step in, draw an angled line from the outside. Now we're just going to connect these 2 points with a curve, going down and then back up. Let's go back to the top of the head and draw that large mane. From the top corner of the head, I'm going to curve up and out, going in behind the ear, going out. Now from this point, we want to make our way up above the horn and then down. But we're going to add some notches along the way. We're going to go up. Let's add that upside down V. We're going to go up over the horn and then down. Now from here, I'm going to curve down, then in towards the head. Now we're going to taper that back out. Let's do that again. Draw a short line coming down, curve in towards the strap, and then back out. Now we're going to make our way down and then just curl up the tip. Come down. Now right at the bottom, we're just going to round this out and go up. We're going to taper this in behind the neck. And down and then in. Let's add some texture to the mane. Starting from the top, we're going to draw 2 lines side by side going in behind the horn. Let's move over this way. We're going to curve this one. Coming in, down behind the ear. We're going to draw this 2 more times. Let's add some along the bottom here. Curving in behind the neck. Draw that twice. And then once along the bottom. Now at the base of the head, we're going to draw a half circle. Starting from the bottom, come down, and then up. Draw a smaller half circle just below it. Just going to tuck that in behind. Now the staff is going to come down at an angle. So let's start on the left side here. Come down with a straight line all the way towards the bottom. Now we go to the outside. We're going to taper this so it gets narrower as you come down towards the base. Now at the bottom here, we're going to add a circle, starting from the outside, work our way around, and we draw a slightly smaller circle on the inside. Let's surround the circle with some spikes. Starting from the left side, we're going to go up and angle down. We'll do the same thing on the right side. Let's add 2 more pointing outwards, out and in. Now we'll add 2 more coming down at an angle. Starting on the left, and then the right. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Thunder Crash from Fortnite. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.